Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Dell Latitude 3510 laptop. This is a custom made laptop bought directly from Dell. We had two options, a 13-inch one and the one that we have selected. This is the 15.6-inch model. As you can see, it's packed pretty well since it is imported and sent via Blue Dart. Here it's clearly visible. In the box we had the manual, the main laptop and the 60-watt charger. It has a touch ID, a backlit keyboard, and the specs are Intel Core i7, Nvidia 2 GB graphic card, 512 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD. Here is the first boot of the laptop. As this process might take some time, here we go through a time lapse in just a moment. The laptop is all booted up. Let's open the task manager. Here we can see the 16 GB RAM memory, 2 GPUs and the CPU working pretty well.